Hi, my name's Chad Mitchell. I am a member of the Columbia River chapter of the J. Reuben Clark Law Society. And the idea for Law Camp came up when I was chair of the service committee for the J. Reuben Clark Law Society. We brainstormed about it and decided that this would be a great thing for us to do to try and get youth more involved in understanding the legal system, teach them about rule of law, teach them about leadership.
I heard about the Law Camp through the Boys and Girls Club of America. There's a staff that really pushes for our careers and our futures, and she told me about it because I was interested in law, and she pushed for me to go.
My mom's a lawyer, so my whole life I've been interested in law and being a lawyer, and so getting to that age where I'm going to college and thinking about majoring in things, I'm trying to take any opportunity I can to get experience with that stuff too.
The reason that I came here was I just am really into law, and I've always wanted to have this as my career. So I thought going into here was a good way to jumpstart that.
I am super interested in the legal system, and I like proving a point for the good of others, so I thought it would be interesting to learn about it.
I thought for sure it was going to be a little bit more on the boring side, less interactive, but I think it's been pretty interactive as you can get for something like law. And I think it's been really good for just learning a little bit more about the careers of law. And I wasn't really nervous before coming here because it wasn't like I was asked to do something, but I was just here as a student to learn. And that's really pressure-free.
I like to meet new people who like the same things as me too, because I think that can be kind of hard to meet people who care about law the same way or want to be a lawyer, because there's so many different people at school.
Opportunities like this definitely give me a step up and more confidence, especially to put my right foot forward and follow my dreams, I guess. I just think this whole thing makes the whole process less intimidating, because you think of it as these big scary professionals, and then you talk to them and you realize, oh, they're normal people like me, and I can do this.
I think this would benefit me in the way that I can kind of get a taste of what I will experience if I do go into law school and understand what I will be getting into.
I learned a lot about the careers of law and not exactly what they do, but more just the overall premise and maybe a quick run through of what they do. So I've learned about what police officers do, what law clerks do, what paralegals do, what judges do.
I've learned not just look at the surface of an issue and to dive into what happens on both sides. And I have also learned the rule of law we talked about, that you can't just prosecute someone because you think it's wrong. There has to be an actual law. I really liked the dispute that we did because it was hands-on, and I like doing hands-on learning.
My biggest surprise was that the judge came. I've always thought that judges were one step above everybody, they ruled over everybody. And to see one that's retired and was Supreme Court come, I thought that was really cool.
So far, I've loved it because I'd say the people who are managing it, the lawyers, the attorneys who are trying to manage it, are trying to give us a great experience, trying to make it super interactive. And I really appreciate that effort, and it's been really fun to be here.
I would definitely tell them to come if they were on the fence, because the worst thing that you want to do is regret not doing something. I think it's way harder to regret doing something.
They should come just for the experience, to meet the new people, and to see what the careers are in law, that there isn't just a lawyer, there's multiple careers that's branching off of lawyers.
If you're interested in law or law enforcement at all, to take every opportunity you can, because it definitely won't hurt. I think it'll only encourage you.
I would just encourage you to take a chance. Maybe you don't think that a career in the law is right for you, but at some point in your life, whether it's buying a house, whether it's getting a ticket, whether it's seeing somebody down the road that needs help, you're going to engage in and interact with the law at some point, whether positively or negatively. And so having connections within the legal profession can be really, really useful. And having some familiarity with the legal profession can be useful.
The way that the J. Reuben Clark Law Society can take this throughout our country, throughout the world, to impact youth throughout our world is awesome to think about, and it's really inspiring. And we hope that the energy that you feel through our sharing a little bit about our experience today will be enough to get you to act, to get you to put your trust in our youth, to put your time and effort into helping them see what they can do to help others, to help their community, to help those less fortunate, and how the law can be a great resource and very empowering to make those kind of things happen. It's really, really exciting and a really important work that we hope this inspires many, many chapters, if not all the chapters throughout the world, to do something very similar to support and love and serve the youth in their community.